Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first of all, just go to the app gallery, and now here on the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install, and while this is installing, we have to wait a few seconds. So now just tap to enable in settings. Here is a green Apple keyboard, tap to the switch, tap OK, and one more time OK. Now go back, and here tap to the switch input methods and switch this to the English United States keyboard. So that's finished, and now we can check our keyboard. For example, we'll go to the messages, and now when you will text your message, you can see that your keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.